Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is ways to prosperity. Prosperity would mean leading a rich life. Prosperity would mean abundance in all areas of your life. So can you equate money with success? Well, no. Though money is a welcome factor in anybody's life because that helps us to lead a comfortable life. But still, you cannot say that money is all about success and success means money, because money cannot buy you peace of mind, money cannot buy you happiness or your physical health or satisfaction. And so, what is the definition of prosperity? Prosperity would mean leading a good life, really good and comfortable life, satisfied life, financially, emotionally, physically, and mentally. So, the first rule for prosperity is check your mindset about prosperity. If you feel that money is not a good thing, if you have negative emotions whenever you think about money, you feel fearful whenever you think about finances in your life, then that will never attract prosperity in your life, because it all begins with how you believe about money. Now check your beliefs. What are your beliefs like? Do you feel rich and blessed or not? Learning is a sort of attraction of abundance in your life. Gratitude means you are actually attracting abundance. Appreciation means you are open to abundance in your life, you are open to prosperity in life. Learning means you are open to abundance and prosperity in your life. Jealousy, resentment, anger, frustration, all these block the advent of abundance and prosperity in your life. So all you have to do first is to check your mindset about money, because we are conditioned to believe like it is the source of all evils. And if you feel like that, no, I don't want to be rich because it may lead to bad habits, I may not feel really good, or I feel guilty by becoming rich because there are so many poor people around. So if you have such a mindset, then you cannot attract prosperity. For attracting prosperity and abundance in your life, you have to change your mindset first. So believe that you want to be rich, you are already rich, you love to be rich, you love to be prosperous, and prosperity serves everyone, because then this prosperity percolates in the lives of everyone you come across. So resolve to become prosperous. Believe that you can become prosperous. How will you know that you have a prosperity mindset or a scarcity mindset? Well, it will show in your daily habits. Now, do you feel fearful whenever you think about money? Or there was a rich man always scolding his wife and children whenever they spent any amount of money. So that means you have a scarcity mindset. If you are earning more, it is for spending, and whenever you pay somebody the bills or anything, pay with a smile because you feel abundant inside. Do you crib before giving a tip to somebody, or do you really happily give a tip to someone? So all these things show up in little behaviors throughout the day. So check on your mindset and your thoughts. What are your thoughts like? They are scarcity thoughts. Do you feel happy about what you are earning? Do you feel a sense of gratitude for whatever you are earning? Are you ambitious about earning more? What are your choices, daily choices, the standard of choices that you make? Or whenever you see something really expensive, do you think about how you can buy it, or do you think I just cannot buy it, this is beyond my limit? So all these thoughts pave the way for scarcity or abundance in your life. The third way to attract more prosperity in your life is by thinking more about what you want rather than what you do not want, because whatever you think and whatever you speak comes true in your life. Words are spells. So a very good idea is to see your emotions in this present moment. Feel good now. about everything in your life. Give gratitude now for the little blessings in your life, and that is how even abundance and prosperity are like energy. And so, if you are vibrating at a high energy of gratitude, appreciation, love, and feeling good, then that is what you are going to attract in your life. You won't know, and money and all kinds of abundance will start coming into your life. You'll attract abundance into your life. And so, a very good idea is to just talk about, feel about, think about all that you want, and never complain about anything in your life. Think about what can be done about something rather than sitting and cribbing about something you just do not have any control over. The fourth way to attract prosperity in your life is by being of service to others. So just follow your purpose in life. What are you here for? What is it that you find really easy to do? And whenever you do that, time just ceases. And you are so much in the flow. You love to do it. You find it easy to do it. You have an inner aptitude for it. This is what you have to follow, and be of service to others. That is how the more you are giving service to others, the more abundance will follow in your life. The more abundance will flow in your life. As they say that the opposite of courage is not fear. The opposite of courage is conformity. That means you are doing something you know nothing about, you do not have aptitude for, and it is like teaching a fish to fly. You just cannot teach the fish how to fly because it is not meant for it. And so follow your purpose, and it should be something which comes from within you. You do not have to follow the path that others are laying down for you, because they do not know you better than you would know yourself. Have the self-knowledge, meditate every day and connect with your inner being so that you are clear about your path in life. And as you follow your path in life, the path that you are here for, the work that you are here for, that is how abundance will flow in your life. The fifth way to attract abundance and prosperity in your life is to feel whole and deserving of the abundance. Now, if I keep telling you, you can attract abundance, you are so good, but inside you do not feel whole, inside you do not feel deserving, that means your self-belief is not positive. That is one of negativity. You do not feel like you deserve prosperity. In that case, you will not be able to attract prosperity, because you have to take the first step, and only then the universe can deliver. So prioritize your work. Whatever you are doing, make it a priority. Focus on your work. Feel deserving of the abundance that follows when you do good work. And once you feel deserving of prosperity, you'll see prosperity in your life. And do not compare and compete with others, because your story is different, your story is unique, you are unique, you are limitless. And comparison and competition only means a scarcity mindset. If you have an abundant mindset, you know that every person's story must be different and you are following your own story. So just give yourself time, feel proud of yourself, feel proud to do good work, and keep following your designated path. The entire day, you can just monitor your thoughts. What are your thoughts like? Are they scarcity thoughts? This is so costly, I cannot afford it. Why did I have to pay so much? Or are there abundant thoughts? I'm going to buy that house one day. I'm going to have this one day. So anything. Is it more of positive thoughts or negative thought? In case you have more of negative thoughts coming in your mind, all you have to do is replace these negative thoughts with beautiful positive thoughts. We call it quantum mind. That is replacing negative thoughts with some positive thoughts which you already know. Those one or two thoughts that you are going to use whenever you get some kind of negative thoughts in your mind. So monitor your thoughts throughout the day and get hold of scarcity thoughts. Replace them with more abundant thoughts. The sixth way to attract prosperity in your life is believe. I was watching a film on Shawn Mendes, the singer, and he showed in that film that he used to write down, because we say that words are spells. He used to write down that I have sold the entire stadium in my tour, and it actually happened for him in a few months. So that is how all your words and thoughts become a reality. So write down a gratitude journal and write down whatever your desires are about prosperity in your life, about financial abundance in your life, and about anything in any area of your life which also is included in prosperity. And so as you write down your desires, they actually start coming true, because as you write down, they become a part of your subconscious mind and they start coming true in your life. You start seeing them as a reality in your life. Your life is a mirror of your inner world, as within, so without. And so this is also one of the rules for prosperous life. Change your life within. That is, there is a little universe inside you. Just see if it holds jealousy, resentment, anger. If you find these in your life, just let them go and become more peaceful, more smiling, more loving and generous and peaceful in your thoughts. So as you change your inner universe within, you will see your life outside is going to mirror these changes outside. So clean up your inner universe and you will be able to see abundance in your life. The eighth way to become more prosperous is by not keeping all your eggs in one basket. You must have seen how singers diversify their businesses. They sing, they earn a lot of money, but after that they establish hotels, hospitals, NGOs. Why? Studios. Because so that they may have multi sources of income. That keeps you financially stable and safe. You're not dependent only on one particular thing from where you are generating your income, one particular profession from where you are generating your income. And so it is a good idea to have multi sources of income, so you can use all your inherent capacities and all your inherent talents to generate extra income in your life. The ninth way to attract prosperity in your life is by saving a good amount of money from whatever you are earning. So you create a corpus, and the interest of that corpus amount is used for traveling and other expenses, so you do not feel the pinch. Also keep upgrading your skills. Invest in yourself, invest in your skills so that you become better and better every day. And you should also maintain a specific ratio as to how much you are earning and how much you are spending. So always remember to do everything in moderation and spend wisely. Now prosperity will be attracted in your life when you become proactive. It is not only about sitting and wishing. It is about doing it, getting inspired and following your inspiration, implementing those ideas that come to you. So use your creativity for earning more. Use your creativity to become more prosperous in life, and just do not listen to the naysayers. They haven't been able to do, and that doesn't make you any less. And so it is possible, if you believe in yourself, you'll be able to make all your desires come true, because dreams do come true. So believe that you are prosperous. Start living like you are prosperous. That doesn't mean that you start overspending. No, have two things, but the best of the things. So your mindset should be one of abundance. You think of abundance. You do not stifle your desires. Instead, you magnify your imagination. As you magnify your imagination and you feel like all your imagination will become true because you believe in your imagination, it will actually happen for you. So keep desiring, have ambitions, and make all your desires come true by using the visualization technique, positive self-affirmations, by imagining more. That is the workshop of your imagination, and imagination is God. It does come true. So keep imagining. Lead a prosperous life in your mind first before you can see a prosperous life actually in the physical realm, before you can actually touch, feel and smell this prosperity in your life. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. My message for you is I love you and I send you my love and blessings. I pray for a lot of love, abundance, good health and peace in your life. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much for joining me here. Namaste.